The things which I'm about to tell you in this video is really what women look after in men. Women are wired weirdly. It means it's really a very difficult task to understand what goes on in their minds. Well, not today. As I'm going to tell you guys a few traits, qualities or features, whatever you name it. These are a few things that women want and look after in a man. So, let's get started. Number 1, a confident man is a real deal breaker. If you were to ask any real dating coach, what do women like and want in a man? They would obviously say it's confidence. Yes, even I've mentioned it quite a few times. It's because confidence comes out on top of any other attractive feature a man can possess. Confident men are really attractive to women. Not only women but most men try to imitate a man who is confident. A confident man has the power to take control. He is the one to make good decisions and make a change. A confident man has the ability to take massive risks, whatever it might be. Women love tone with men who are passionate, confident, and challenging. Number 2, trustworthiness. No girl wants to be with a man who is not trustworthy. Women don't want men who speak differently with different people. You should speak the same thing wherever or whoever it might be. As a man, you should be able to understand one's feeling for what he or she shares with you. A woman shares secrets with you only because she believes in you. If you are the person to share all her feelings with someone else she doesn't want to speak with, then you have done a serious mistake. A secret is a secret no matter what. Keep it in mind. Number 3, emotional intelligence. This is a very attractive trait most confident possess. Emotional intelligence is very sexy and attractive, and women find it really hot. Emotional intelligence means acting according to the situation. You need to have the presence of mind and things to say properly, and quite a few men know about it. Acting according to the situation is really very important. It is really helpful in almost all situations. A calm, cool, intelligent, and controlled man is the one that women want. It simply means a man should have emotional intelligence. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.